As the Ministry of Foreign Affairs continues to remain silent on the detention of human rights activist Melissa Atwell, also known as Melly, the Working People's Alliance, WPA, has called on the Guyana government to inquire from its United States counterparts the reason for Melly's detention. Leader of the WPA, Dr. David Hines, said the party is not swayed by government's announcement that it had nothing to do with Atwell's detention by Homeland Security.
We feel that the government of Guyana and the government of the United States must say to the public exactly what has transpired here. One can hypothesize that the government had something to do with it, given the threats that have been made in the past.
Atwell, a staunch critic of the People's Progressive Party civic government, remains in the custody of the United States Immigration Services and is expected to appear before a judge soon.
We call on the government of Guyana, therefore. We call on the government of Guyana not just to say that it was not involved in Ms. Atwell's arrest, but to find out from the United States government and to inform the Guyanese public what the United States government has said is Ms. Atwell's offense. There must be some reason why she was arrested.
At least two government ministers, Attorney General Anil Nandalal and the Minister within the Ministry of Public Works, Gov'T Indar, have filed multi-million-dollar defamation lawsuits against Atwell because she exposed them. A usually reliable law enforcement official told Nightly News that well over 200 charges are being prepared for Atwell, should she be sent back to Guyana by the United States.
What we do know is that there has been a back and forth between the government and Ms. Atwell. It seems as if Ms. Atwell has ruffled feathers in the halls of power in Guyana.
It remains unclear when Guyana's consular representatives in the United States were informed about the detention of Melly and what consular representation was offered to her and when. Travis Chase, HGP Nightly News.